High is Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi Cancer, how have you been? On Monday, if you want your love life to change from its current boring and predictable status into a lively and passionate affair, then you had better look to yourself to do something about it. The current astral environment means that you will have to take action and either initiate a conversation or make a few wise choices in order to get the relationship of your dreams. Be bold. This is a great day to begin targeting what you can and can't see yourself doing at this stage in your life. Try selecting the habits that you want to abide by and writing down the benefits they give to you. For example, flossing and brushing twice a day. Good oral hygiene preserves teeth, prevents gum disease, and eliminates bad breath. There is power in knowing what you want and what you will lose if you don't give yourself what you want. On Tuesday, having all the facts about a current love life situation is a good thing, especially now that the covetous moon mingles with Venus, your ruling planet, in your ninth house of big ideas. Exploring your romantic brainstorms can bring you inspiration for an almost foolproof plan of action. It's time to remind yourself of the power of your inner fortitude and trust in your own actions rather than continue to doubt your ability to be the master of your romantic domain. The vibe you're able to bring to a relationship will have a sweet effect on someone you're involved with at this time. That fact alone should make you feel good right now. On Wednesday, making your desires known to someone who is in a position to help you fulfill them can be an important step in your love life at this moment. Your acute intuition has always worked for you, but today it's more powerful than ever. There won't be any mystery in your heart about what you want, but just because you have psychic inclinations doesn't mean that the person you're involved with has them too. Asking for what you desire is important in any relationship, so don't think you can skip this crucial step right now. Communication is the key to sexy fulfillment. The balancing acts our body perform daily takes place in the kidneys where the blood is cleansed of impurities. To learn about these and other nutritious substances, begin to eat healthy and begin to frequent the more conscious produce markets in your area. On Thursday, if you're feeling the unmistakable warmth of someone's romantic attention at this time, you're not imagining it. You possess the ability to make most people feel comfortable in your presence, and your authentic charm often acts as a love magnet. What begins as an interesting conversation with a friend could end up feeling like a flirtation today. Can there be more to a friendly collaboration than meets the eye right now? Stick around and find out. Don't worry about the minute details of what such a romance would bring. Give yourself permission to simply explore this feeling and look at the big picture of love's message to you. The body's need to eliminate waste is a need you are most probably aware of. When something is over or done, you usually want to move on. The two most important dietary measures to take to aid in waste elimination are drinking plenty of water and eating roughage. Big leafy green vegetables are wonderfully nutritious produce. There are also crisp apple varieties and dried fruits that are beneficial. Pay attention to how your body eliminates waste for information on what you need to eat. On Friday, the current aspect at play could indicate that a new relationship is about to come roaring in your life just when you least expected it. If you have been pursuing a lot of romantic options, then you may not know what has hit you until you are already smitten. You have probably been wishing for this on some level or another, so be glad when it happens. Think of exploring the terrain of healthy living as you would a foreign country. No matter what level you begin at, you will have new things to discover. Right now, you are especially open to the new. If you've always wanted to know the benefits of herbs and spices, a great way to start is with your nose in the bins at your local organic grocery store. Take a little time investigating names that look familiar and smells that completely surprise you. On Saturday, you may find the pace a little too demanding in terms of your love life, especially with the current celestial energy. If you had been hoping for a quiet evening in with that someone special, then you could be in for quite a surprise. They certainly have other ideas, which could mean a very demanding schedule. If you can't cope, you'll need a very good excuse. There's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you get your work done faster. You'd so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen, even if you have to do a virtual version over a video chat. It's an option. If you haven't danced in a while, this could be the night to change that. Dance to the point of breathlessness, it'll be invigorating. On Sunday, you may want to purchase some sort of book to increase your knowledge on health and nutrition. It's a wise person who knows the basic herbal and holistic practices that work for them as an individual. While you're looking at various books or talking to a knowledgeable friend, you may want to take an investigative peek at vegetarianism. It's a big subject, so just have a peek if it's new to you. The current astral energy makes you virtually invincible, which means you could be spoiled for choice in terms of suitable partners. It seems as though no matter what you do, say, or wear, you won't be able to put a wrong foot. People will find you rapturously attractive and will want to swarm around you to see if your charisma will rub off on them. Lucky you!
Money and career.
On Monday, you need to build your hopes with courage and determination. This approach will make the day peaceful. Avoid getting tensed and make yourself more joyful. You may need to rely on your intelligence to ensure favorable results. This will be possible with your positive thinking and courage. The day will bring progressive results for you. You can utilize the time for pursuing useful purposes. Your magnetic charm and communication will draw others to you. On Tuesday, the day promises to be a favorable day for you. Securing a lot of extra benefits is also indicated. This is also a suitable day to make some major decisions. You will be able to endear yourself to your dear ones with charming and pleasant words. You have to be patient to achieve success. Learn to be more consistent with what you do so that you can be very successful. On Wednesday, travel is on the cards. Exercise caution while handling vital activities. Think twice before indulging in any activity. This day may be slightly less favorable for you. It will be good if you relax and be happy mentally, as this is most essential for the day. You may have to adjust and manage the day in a smart manner. You should keep yourselves engaged and happy through entertaining activities. You need to put in a little extra effort to ensure things work out in your favor. On Thursday, you need to be honest and straightforward. You should avoid getting emotional. Plan your actions and schedules. Plan your actions and schedules to achieve effective results. The day requires you to take things in an easy manner. You need to keep yourself motivated to ensure smooth results. This could be a day that will test your patience. This may not be a very encouraging day for you. Not much can be expected to happen. You also may not be able to witness progress and benefits accruing on this day. On Friday, you can enjoy spending money for your family, and this will make you happy. You will find the day to be more optimistic. Good development will also be possible for you. You are able to execute your tasks easily. Positive outcomes are foretold for the day. You will also be in a position to realize your potential. A most productive day for you. Benefits and support will be present through your friends. You will have a good reason to be more cheerful. On Saturday, you need to cultivate more patience and shun your emotions. It will be advisable to involve yourself in meditation or yoga, as this will give you relief. You have to make yourself happy and maintain high spirits. You could also be forced to compromise on certain comforts. It will be a little tough for you to find satisfaction. On Sunday, the day requires you to exercise control over your emotions and resort to spiritual pursuits like praying for solace. You will feel stressed due to the heavy commitments of the day. You need to adopt a calm and composed attitude for things to function smoothly. This is of vital importance for the day. Listening to divine music and participating in recreational activities will help you immensely.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.